What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We'll start here at our Latrobe location. And beside me, we have a Corvette Z06. This is the new C8 Z06. This is like the 7th or 8th one I think we've had just through this store alone. They're really hard to get, but for whatever reason, they are coming out of everywhere for us. So we did a full paint protection film wrap on this one like we did on most of the others. It's also getting ceramic coated. That's what they're working on right now. They're also reinstalling some of the badging on it. Beside it is a Ferrari California. I believe this car was in there last week. We did a full paint correction on this. Ferrari has a problem with sticky buttons, so some of those are being sent out to have those repaired. We're doing a full paint protection film wrap on it, as well as a ceramic coating, pulling the wheels off to polish the inside and out of the wheels, and the brake calipers and coating those as well, and doing a full interior detail. So that car is getting a whole lot of stuff. We also replaced the front and rear Cavalinos that were previously damaged and just worn out. Right behind the Ferrari is a Toyota 4Runner. This belongs to our good friend Track. He's brought us a lot of cars over the last few years. We certainly appreciate that. Patrick polished and coated this thing. It looks ridiculous under these lights. It is basically perfect. So that one's ready to go home. We have a Hyundai Santa Cruz. This one's getting some paint protection film, I believe, on the roof. We've got a lot of fast cars here today. This one's a Tesla Model S Plaid. If you have never ridden in a Plaid and you have a chance to do it, you should do it because it is unbelievably fast. This car was stealth wrapped by somebody that wasn't us. We don't know who did it. It's from, I think, Virginia. It was here for a ceramic coating on top of that stealth wrap. So it is done and ready to go home as well. And another fast car, you can tell spring's coming. Aaron is working on this Camaro ZL1 convertible, full 10 mil wrap on this car, ceramic coating, and it looks like there's tint on it also. 1,000 horsepower, 650, 700 something. I don't know what a California is. There's a lot of horsepower there. And over there in the tint bay, we've got Terrell and Isaiah. Terrell's tinting an F-150 Tremor. Isaiah's dreaming about playing the ukulele.
Yeah, every day.
If you don't already follow him, 4-String Fighter on Instagram, go check him out. He's actually like a professional ukulele player. He's fantastic. And we're outside. It's a nice, beautiful May day, 40 degrees. We got 3 inches of snow 5 miles that way yesterday. What a weird place Latrobe is. This Rubicon here got some ceramic done on the bumper and the fender. It was in a mild accident. This vehicle got the full front end protected with paint protection film, and the Mustang beside it belongs to our good friend Ron. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap and I believe a ceramic coating as well. And this other Mustang is here for a window tint. We've got a Ram 3500. This one's getting the full front end protected with paint protection film, the whole hood, fenders, bumper, and mirrors, and I believe a wear and tear package also. And we have a Kia Soul that had the windshield tinted, not by us. They wanted it removed, I think, before they sold the car, so we removed tint on that. And this Ford got the front windows tinted. And up front, another C8. You guys know we love Corvettes here. This one got the front end protected and a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home to our friend Luca. And that's it for what's happening in Latrobe. This is a ridiculously busy month. We're gonna have some awesome cars here. Check out what's happening in Pittsburgh and Miami.
All right, guys, it's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Here we have a 2022 Harley-Davidson trike. This got some paint protection film in the high-risk areas, including on these back wheels here, on the sides, on the front. Everything's gonna be hit by rocks, is now protected with some paint protection film. We have Jason and Steve touching up some paint protection film on this 2021 Cadillac Escalade. This got the entire hood, front fenders, and A-pillars done in our paint protection film. And it's next up for a paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have 2 vehicles. First one here from our friends at St. Barnabas Auto. For any mechanical needs in Gibsonia, check these guys out. They do some awesome work. This is getting our Prime CS 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window, along with the 5% visor. And here we have Ian doing his thing on this brand new Acura TLX. This got our Prime XR 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. All right, Mark, tell us about this thing.
All right, so this is my 1999 Dodge Durango that was supposedly built for Carroll Shelby, but I did acquire it from the late Jim Jeffords, who is part of the National Corvette Museum Hall of Fame as well as the SCCA Hall of Fame. I recently sold it on Bring a Trailer, and before I did that though, I kind of did a one-step polish on the entire vehicle.
In the back, we have a couple of very cool vehicles. On the right, we have a 2021 C8 Corvette. This was in the shop about a year ago for some ceramic coating. And he started getting some rock chips in the front, so he brought the vehicle back into us. We polished off the ceramic coating, did a full front clip, and then recoated the paint protection film in Fusion Plus. Next to that is a McLaren 720S. This has a full body wrap and paint protection film, but he recently added on some OEM carbon fiber pieces on the front of the vehicle and on the back of the vehicle. So it's back in the shop this week to get those pieces also protected. Up on the lift, we have Austin doing his thing on our full wrap of the week. This week we have a 2020 Bentley Continental GT. This is getting a full body wrap in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Once that is complete, we're going to be topping it off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating and tinting all of the side windows in the back window in our Prime XR 20% window tint. Next up, we have a 2021 Nissan Maxima. People always say that we only work on high-end cars. PPF is also for daily drivers. This vehicle got protected on the front bumper and the hood, and once we touch the vehicle up, we're going to be doing some window tint in our 20% Prime XR on the side windows and the back window. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami, showing you what's going on in the shop this week. In the tint bay, we have a 2023 BMW X5, getting our tint on the two front doors to match the rear section, and also the XR Plus 70% to help with that heat rejection. Another cool car we have this week is a 2020 Bentley GT First Edition. So all those chrome pieces are blacked out from factory. We're gonna be doing a full front clip with PPF, XR Plus 70% on the windshield, and also a ceramic coating over top of everything. As always, we have another 2023 C8 Corvette in the shop, getting a full PPF wrap, ceramic tint, and also a ceramic coating. This week we have another 2023 TRX that's going to be getting a full stealth PPF conversion, tint, and a ceramic coating. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what we saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know how we're doing.